These track extensions are quite easy to install. It's the same material as your standard bed. It's just an add-on. They give you 2 new bunks, which are here. And my last bunk, which was right there, is now down at the end because it doesn't have the support post sides on it. Ties in connection-wise just like the other ones. Those are 15 millimeter and 14 millimeter if you're reaching for your wrenches to put one on. Increase your bed. Tie them in here. Run them out. Level your legs. All directions. And she should cut fine. Now today we did some extra long ones, so we did extend down into this area because I was supported to this point before I finished this today. So I did run it out here and she was milling perfect. You order it on MechMaxx website. Track extensions complete. From that point to here, we left some extra out here because we like putting things out there like our ramps and such. But we carved these out of red oak today. Some logs we had in the pile for years. This was pretty much my stop point, which gave me 16 feet 4 inches. Now I can do, so that's going to be fantastic. And this is what's left over from the log that I milled to make these extensions. We got 6x6 pressure treated in the ground to support. She's level, she's square. She's ready for the big boys now. LifeInTN.